Hello and welcome back, guys. It's time to reveal my website and explain how the AdSense method works. Okay, the website is kid.ma. This is the website that had earned me more than $13,000 in just 6 months. Let's check the website. This is the website. As you can see, it's only one page website and it has 2 ads and 1 content. If we click this button, we will get a new page with new ads. So how can a website so simple earn me that much of money and drive me this amount of traffic, which is more than 5 million people? To get a better understanding, let's view the page source. As you can see right here on the header, I'm using the Open Graph tags, okay, that will help me to take control of how my website will appear on Facebook. By doing that, let's check the guideline from Facebook. This is the Open Graph title, okay, and this is the Open Graph image, as you can see right here. If we can take control of those meta tags, okay, we will be able to develop a new game. I call it the Facebook comment games. So the idea was about changing the image with every refresh. Okay, let me show you right here. If I refresh the page, you will see that this image is changing. Okay, as you can see, it's changing right here. So with every refresh, we will get a new image, and with that we will be developing a new game that people will be sharing on Facebook, and that will drive us a lot of traffic and earn us a lot of money. This is the kind of games, okay? This is an example. As you can see, I have made this image on Photoshop. It said, did you know if you comment www.kid.ma, you will see your future baby? Which means with every comment we will get a new baby image. This is an example. As you can see, people here are commenting, okay, and with every comment they are getting new image because we have in the website a PHP file that is changing the image with every refresh. Don't worry, you will be getting all that in the next videos, okay? I will be explaining you how you can set that up too. So doing that wasn't that hard, okay? It needs just some modification on PHP. But the problem was this from Facebook. It said Facebook needs to scrap links shared to Facebook on no wish of the link preview information to show facebook.com. This happened every 30 days, okay? So even that the images are changing in our end, Facebook have some caches, so the image won't be changing till next month, okay? And this was the biggest problem. But finally we discovered how we can do that, how we can make Facebook scrap and clear their caches so they can give a new image with every comment or every share. For example, if we comment like that, let's check. As you can see, I'm getting a new image. Let's comment again. And we are getting a new image. So with every comment or every share, we get a new image. So we don't have to wait the 30 days that Facebook mentioned in their in their documentation. Don't worry, again, I will be giving you all the necessary files so you can do that too. This is how I made this much of money. It sounds easy, and it is easy to set up, it is easy to play. You can use any type of games. You can ask people to comment and see their future wives or their future husbands. You can ask them when they are going to be rich, or when they are going to get married or something. So there are plenty of niches that you can use. The idea is simple. Okay, it's working, it's still working, but it needs some hard work to set up. Okay, and that's why I'm here. So let's go to the next videos, and I will explain you how you can start setting up your website. See you next.